Hello, darling. Nice to see you. It's been a long time. You're just as lovely that you used to be. How's your new love? Are you happy? Hope you're doing fine. Just to know it means so much to me. What's that, darling? How I'm doing? Guess I'm doing alright, except I can't sleep and I cry all night till dawn. What I'm trying to say is I love you and I miss you. I'm so sorry that I did you wrong. Look up, darling. Won't you kiss me? Just for old time's sake, won't you hold me in your arms me one more time? Thank you, darling. May God bless you and may it stay beauty. Bring you closer for the things you seek to find. Goodbye, darling. I gotta go now. I gotta try to find a way to lose these memories of the love so warm and true. And if you should ever find it in your heart to forgive me, come back, darling. I'll be waiting for you.